In this episode, Toby and I continue our discussion about Bitcoin. Toby, what is the first thing you'd like someone who is new to Bitcoin to understand about Bitcoin?
The first thing that comes to my mind is that a person doesn't know anything about the fiat system, then they'd better start there. If you don't see fiat's failures, then you cannot see the upside of Bitcoin and how it benefits the world.
Yes, that's a very good place to start because currently schools teach nothing about the shortcomings of the fiat system of currency. And I don't think that's by accident, but rather it's a concerted effort by those closest to the money printers to keep the masses ignorant about how badly and systematically they're being fleeced.
Yeah, I like fleece, but I don't like being fleeced. That is precisely what the reality is. I don't know if it's deliberate, but it sure helps them to keep the momentum of lies about the status of our daily lives.
But this brings up an uncomfortable truth. Learning about something as complex as a central bank-controlled world monetary system takes effort. There's just no getting around the fact it takes work and study to be an informed Bitcoiner. But thank goodness, it's easier now than it used to be because there's a great deal of information available now about Bitcoin and how it differs from fiat.
It's an uncomfortable truth that the average person will just let the leaders run the lives of people. I wonder if it would make a difference if they knew how much they are being manipulated. Would they want to find a better way of life, a true road to freedom, and actual prosperity in the world? I wonder.
A profound statement I recently heard, and which I would hope anyone listening to us would seriously ponder, is this. Fiat is the currency of war. Bitcoin is the currency of peace.
Yes, that's not obvious to the average person. It's a deep thought well worth exploring, and I really wish more people would.